I want to welcome all of you to the 19th anniversary of our Inter-American Moot Court competition. This is an exciting event that allows universities from the hemisphere and beyond to compete on an interesting case involving the Inter-American system of protection of human rights. In this case, in this situation, the case concerns disability law, which is an area of tremendous importance that involves very serious issues that allow people to develop themselves to the limit of their possibilities. We have a tremendous commitment in this institution with human rights, and all of you who have here certainly have demonstrated that commitment as well with your presence in expanding more, in pushing the human rights system and our own understanding of the human rights system to new heights. And disability law is essential for that purpose because it will provide voice to people that do not have voice and give them the legitimacy of the legal narrative. Well, unfortunately, I won't be able to be present during this competition because of my duties in the Committee Against Torture of the United Nations. And it's my loss because there is nothing that I like more to see the professionalism, the integrity, the appetite for learn and develop relationships that I see in the different teams that come here. There's going to be some winners here, and we're going to celebrate them, but there's not going to be losers. Everyone who participates on this is a winner because this is a fiesta, and a real fiesta for human rights. The ability to be in a community of learning, developing skills, talking about values that allow us to imagine and realize a better world. Let me finish my comments thanking Claudia Martin and Diego Rodriguez, everyone who has participated in this year's competition, as well as Emilio Alvarez y Casa, who is the one who developed the case, the Executive Secretary of the Inter-American Commission. I wish you all well, and that after this game-changing opportunity, you will go back to your countries and continue to work ceaselessly for the promotion and protection of human rights in this hemisphere. Thank you very much, and my apologies again that because of my human rights activities in the UN, I cannot join you this year.